Blocking someone on Threads is a straightforward process that helps you manage your interactions on the platform. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Thread application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your feed and user profiles. Step 2. Find the user. Navigate to the profile of the person you wish to block. You can do this by searching for their username or locating them in your follows or following list. Step 3. Access profile options. Once you are on the user's profile, look for the options menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 4. Select block. Tap on the options menu and select the block option from the list. This action will prevent the user from interacting with you or viewing your content. Step 5. Confirm the block. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to block the user. Confirm your choice to complete the blocking process. Now you can enjoy a more tailored experience on Threads without unwanted interactions.